welcome back to my channel. This is Brilliant Aura, and thank you for tuning in with me today. If you are new here and you enjoy conversations about self-care, self-improvement, and just overall how to become your best self, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on new content. So today we're just going to jump right into it. I want to show you guys how I made this aloe vera deep conditioning treatment. It is an at-home, all-natural ingredients, hot oil treatment. I deep conditioned my hair with this when I washed it and then of course styled it afterwards. I wanted to come and give you guys this step-by-step tutorial of how I made this aloe vera deep conditioning treatment, exactly what ingredients I used, which of course will be dropped down into the description box so that you can go out and get these same ingredients and try to make your own aloe vera deep conditioning treatment. Even after just the first time of using it, I noticed that my hair wasn't breaking as easily. I noticed that my hair was also just easier to detangle with my fingers. I really didn't need to comb through it. I also noticed a lot more curl definition. So like I said, we're going to just jump right into it. I'm going to be showing and explaining to you all of the ingredients that I use, and then I will show you step by step how I put this together and exactly how I used it on my hair. So stay tuned. I don't have one at the moment, but the first thing I used was a fresh aloe vera leaf. I got this from the grocery store, super easy to use. You just cut it open and get the gel out of it, which you are going to see in the video. So aloe vera has been used for many, many years to treat hair loss, and it also helps to moisturize and condition the hair. Aloe vera can also reduce dandruff and also help to unblock any hair follicles that can be blocked by excess oils. But the benefits of aloe vera have been researched and known for many, many years. So that's why I used it as like a main ingredient in my deep conditioner. So another ingredient that I used was the Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Isle. So castor oil is an excellent treatment for boosting hair growth as well as adding volume to hair. So combined with aloe vera, it really helps to stimulate hair regrowth as well as stop your hair from shedding as much. I also used olive oil, and olive oil is a rich source in vitamins A and E, which help to strengthen your hair strands and stimulate your hair follicles. So massaging your scalp with olive oil can help promote healthy blood supply as well as to help promote healthy hair growth. So I also added coconut oil, which helps to seal the moisture into your hair. So combining coconut oil with the aloe vera gel really helps to seal and lock in moisture into your hair. It creates silky, soft hair strands so that you don't really have to get trimmed as often because your hair is so moisturized from root to tip. And I also used honey as an ingredient. Like I said, I also don't have that right now. I used honey as an ingredient because it has emollient properties, which help to add shine to dull hair. And it also helps to smooth the hair follicles. So those are all of the ingredients that I will be using in this aloe vera deep conditioning hair mask. Please stay tuned so that you can see exactly how I put all these things together and how I used it. I first got started with the aloe vera leaf. I took a knife and cut off either side of it, and it is also smart to cut off the spiky things on the side so that you don't poke yourself while you're trying to cut through it. And then after that, I just used a spoon to scoop out all of the gel on the inside. I would also say to make sure that you rinse your aloe vera leaf off just to get the protective layer of aloe off. That's like the bitter stuff that protects the plant from predators. The next thing I added was the olive oil. I simply put that onto a spoon. I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. Next, I used the coconut oil and put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that as well. But you don't necessarily have to be strict with your measurements. You can put as much or as little as you like. Here I did the same thing with the Jamaican black castor oil. I just used about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I finished it off with some honey, and I used 2 tablespoons for that. So I put in all my ingredients, and now it's time to blend. I made sure that I blended this up until it was pretty smooth and like frothy. Next, it was time to apply the mixture to my hair. I used half and saved half, and I made sure to massage it all the way into my scalp really well from root to tip. And lastly, I used a plastic bag, but you can also use a shower cap, or if you have a plastic cap. So that is how I made the aloe vera deep conditioning hair mask, hair treatment, whatever you want to call it. I just ended up styling my hair normally how I would. I put this ponytail. So I put it on for about 45 minutes, and I made sure to heat it up with the blow dryer, which of course you have already seen. And my hair came out so silky smooth. I would also say make sure that you rinse really well with this, just because it's a lot of oil. So I personally did this before washing my hair. So I deep conditioned, and then I washed my hair with my normal shampoos, my normal conditioners and everything. I did not leave my normal conditioner on too long. I kind of just did a rinse through, just put it on, combed it through, and then rinsed it out, just because I didn't want to oversaturate my own hair with so much conditioner. I was able to save some of my products after I used it, and I just put it in a sealed container and refrigerated it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope that you go out and get the same ingredients so that you can also make this aloe vera deep conditioning treatment. Trust me, it was a game changer for me personally, so I hope it will be a game changer for you as well. So I thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up so that I know to keep doing like more hair care videos, more videos like this one, as well as leave me some comments down below if you decide to try this aloe vera deep conditioning treatment. I promise you will not regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you continue to take care of yourselves, and I'll see you here next time to do more self-care.